Hey there, wonderful people! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: how to create amazing things that people genuinely love. Whether you're an artist, a creator, or just someone with a passion, this journey is all about tapping into your unique voice and sharing it with the world. First off, let's talk about inspiration. It's everywhere. Look around you: nature, music, conversations. Even the simplest moments can spark incredible ideas. Keep a journal or a digital note on your phone to capture those flashes of inspiration as they come. You never know which idea might blossom into something extraordinary. Next, let's focus on authenticity. People can sense when something is genuine. Don't be afraid to share your true self in your creations. Whether it's a piece of art, a video, or a story, infuse it with your personality and experiences. This connection is what resonates with others and makes your work memorable. Remember, it's not about trying to please everyone. It's about being true to yourself. Now, let's discuss the importance of feedback. Sharing your work with others can be daunting, but constructive criticism is invaluable. Seek out friends, family, or online communities who can provide honest insights. Embrace their feedback as a tool for growth. It's not about changing who you are. It's about refining your craft and making it even better. Another key element is to keep experimenting. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Try new techniques, explore different mediums, or even collaborate with others. Each experiment is a chance to learn and evolve. Remember, some of the coolest creations come from unexpected places, so keep an open mind and let your creativity flow. And let's not forget about the power of storytelling. People love a good story, and weaving narratives into your creations can elevate them to new heights. Share the journey behind your work, the challenges, the triumphs, and the lessons learned. This not only engages your audience, but also makes your creations more relatable and impactful. Lastly, celebrate your progress. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a victory. Acknowledge your achievements and be proud of the effort you put in. This positive mindset will fuel your passion and inspire you to keep creating. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these tips inspire you to make cool things that people will love. Remember, the world needs your unique perspective, so don't hold back. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more uplifting content. Keep creating, keep shining, and I can't wait to see what you come up with next.